What's happening, guys? It's 20 to 10. I've had a very busy day and I've just spotted the position on Euro US dollar on the H4 chart. I put two positions in at 351 and I'm anticipating quite a nice little spike up over here, probably overnight or by tomorrow when the Euro session or the London session opens. As you can see, everything's slowing down. Nothing's really moving. But as you can see, the date is 9:45, 6th of August. I'm going to leave this in overnight. And let's hopefully get some money in tomorrow morning. Alright guys, so this is really a solid position that I've taken over here. I've just literally opened the charts and checked on things. I had a very busy day. Had a couple of meetings and a few coaching sessions online. And this is actually the core of the CTFX strategy, which is very straightforward. If you guys only knew how easy it is, you'd be laughing every day. But let's give it some time. Let's see what happens tomorrow morning. Things are really not moving much here, so I'll get back to you guys in the morning. All right, speak to you soon. What's happening, guys? Just thought I'd show you some progress on the position that I took on Euro US dollar. As you can see here, it's the 7th of August, and from yesterday, last night basically, about 20 to 10, I've had this position held in. As you can see, it popped up quite a bit. If you look at the previous video that I'm going to add onto this little clip for you to see, simple procedure that I follow, that I teach all my students on how to find, how to apply, and how to profit every single day. Very, very straightforward. Okay, that's about $2,500 over there, which is about just under 40,000 rands. Right, so if you look up, this is my Euro US dollar position from last night on my account. So full transparency, I'll show you exactly how to do this. I might just close it soon. So yeah, this is basically it, guys. Get involved with the course. This is how things are done. This is how I teach students every single day. And if you want to learn this, you know the special is only running till the 17th. And if you want some kind of payment arrangement for the actual course, you can actually speak to me. I have assisted a few students with this, so I'm open to options. So speak to me. I'll be happy to help you out. All right, guys. I'll speak to you soon. This is just the update that I wanted to show you from last night. All right, take care.